This video will demonstrate the proper installation of wall graphics on textured surfaces such as brick or plaster. The tools needed for this installation include 70% isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel to thoroughly clean the surface, a hand level and masking tape to lock the graphic into place, a rip tool and squeegee for installation, a heat gun, hand rollers, and grout rollers to heat treat the graphic and ensure a proper seal. Thoroughly clean the surface using a microfiber towel and 70% isopropyl alcohol. It is best to spray the towel, not the wall. Take special care in cleaning the grouts, as this is where dust will collect and the graphic will need to stretch to conform to the space. Use masking tape to mock the graphic up to the wall. Find a point on the graphic, usually text, to line up with your hand level. Keeping a firm hand on the graphic to keep it center, lift the tape and adjust the graphic until it is level. Once level, reinforce the tape along the top to ensure the graphic doesn't fall once you start releasing the backer. Using the tape as a hinge, lift from the bottom of the graphic, roll it if necessary, and release the backer from the top, pulling it down and removing it completely. Begin squeegeeing from the center out and work your way down to apply the graphic. Don't worry about any bumps you encounter, as the graphic won't be properly adhered to the wall until after being treated with heat. Once the graphic has been applied, remove the masking tape from along the top, then slowly remove the transfer tape in small sections, pulling from the top down. Go slowly and in small sections, as the graphic could remain attached to the transfer tape and easily tear. Continue in small sections until all the transfer tape has been removed. To ensure permanent adhesion, apply heat to shrink the graphic and conform it to the texture of the wall. Depending on the type of surface, multiple steps may be needed. In this instance, we will begin with applying heat to the face of the brick. Turn your heat gun up to at least 800 degrees and, keeping it about 2 to 3 inches from the wall, slowly run the heat over the graphic, followed by the hand roller. As you roll over the grout, be sure not to push the roller into the grout. Next, you'll be using the heat gun with the grout roller. Starting from the center, it's important to plan ahead and work entirely in one direction to avoid trapping air between any 2 points. Keeping it about 2 to 3 inches from the wall, slowly run the heat gun over the grout, followed by the grout roller. Once one side of the graphic has been totally treated to the grout, you can begin working in the opposite direction until the entire graphic has been treated.